YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing Aphmau blind box. These are the ones you can get. These are also the ones you can get. And I know people say oh, I want this one before they open it, and then they always end up disappointed. I don't want to do that, because then I'll end up disappointed. So I'll be okay with any of them. I don't buy blind boxes if I know I'm gonna hate one of them that could possibly be inside. And I used to watch Aphmau all the time when I was little, but I never finished watching it, like the My Street season thingies. But, I want to start watching it again because cringe culture is dead as fuck. Yep, thank you. Mother is opening it with a key. Slay mother, W mother. Okay. Now we're busting in to the
good stuff. To the
gold. We're Aphmau. The box, the ears go up on the box. Hold on. Let me show you the freaking. Nope. Okay. The ears go up. How the hell do you open this? Oh, there's a little thingy. Yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's coming. Oh. It has a little thingy, a little paper for collectioning. Oh my goodness. It's like a Chipotle burrito. Okay. Mother help me. I see pink inside. I'm excited. Mother is using her teeth and saliva in the package. Yes! This was the one I wanted. Oh my goodness, look at its face. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. It has a little strawberry heart on his head. Or apple or something. And then there's Akeem. And then he has a little cutie mark. Yes. Oh, yes, I approve.